दोस्तों, today we celebrate a true star. फातिमा साना ये नाम क्रिकेट की दुनिया में गूंजता है. From the streets of Karachi, she rose. Her journey is an inspiration. फातिमा को क्रिकेट का शौक बचपन से ही था. She played with boys in her neighborhood. Her talent was undeniable. वो बहुत तेजी से आगे बढ़ी. Her dedication was unwavering. She joined the Pakistan women's cricket team. Sapna hua sach. A new chapter unfolded. Fatima was ready to conquer the world. The tension was palpable. Darshak दीवाने हो रहे थे. It was a crucial match. Pakistan versus their arch rivals. सबकी नजर टीम पर थी. Could they deliver? The pressure was immense. लेकिन ये बेटियां तैयार थीं. They had trained hard. Fatima was a key player. Her role, vital. The team looked up to her. Match shuru hua. Every ball mattered. Every run was crucial. Pakistan had to give their all. Fatima ready थी डट कर सामना करने को. The opponents were strong. वो आसानी से रन बना रहे थे. Pakistan needed a breakthrough. They needed magic. Fatima provided that spark. वो गेंदबाजी करने आई. Her run-up was smooth. Her delivery potent. उसने गेंद को बड़ी सटीकता से घुमाया. The batsmen were clueless. Wicket गिरने लगे. The momentum shifted. Pakistan was back in the game. Fatima's spell was the turning point. दर्शकों की खुशी का ठिकाना न रहा. Cricket is a team sport. Every player is important. Every contribution matters. पाकिस्तान की टीम ये बात समझती थी. They supported each other. They played as one. They celebrated every success. They lifted each other after every setback. यही एकता उनकी ताकत थी. It showed in their performance. They played with passion and determination. They were a force to be reckoned with. Section 5. The Fatima Factor, Inspiring a Nation. Fatima's journey is an inspiration. उसने दिखाया है कि मेहनत और लगन से क्या कुछ मुमकिन है. She is a role model for girls
कमला
all
हैरिस
over
या
Pakistan.
डोनाल्ड ट्रंप
उसने
कमेंट
रुकावटें
में अपनी
तोड़ी.
राय जरूर
She
बताएं.
has challenged stereotypes. उसने साबित कर दिया है
वीडियो
कि
अच्छी
महिलाएं
लगी हो
जो
तो इसे
चाहें
लाइक
वो
और
हासिल
शेयर
कर
करना
सकती
न
हैं.
भूलें और
Her
हमारे
story
चैनल को
resonates
सब्सक्राइब
with
करें
millions.
ताकि आप
उसने
तक
उन्हें
हमारी
उम्मीद
सभी
दी.
नई वीडियो
She has
सबसे
shown
पहले
them that
पहुंचे.
dreams do come
धन्यवाद.
true. She is a symbol of pride for Pakistan. Section 6. Dreams and Aspirations. The Road Ahead. This section delves into the future, the path that lies ahead for those who dare to dream big and work tirelessly to achieve their goals. Fatima ka safar abhi shuru hi hua hai. Her journey is just beginning, and the road ahead is filled with endless possibilities and opportunities. She has a long way to go. The path to greatness is never easy, but with dedication and hard work, she can achieve anything she sets her mind to. उसे अभी बहुत कुछ हासिल करना है. There are many milestones yet to be reached, many records to be broken, and many dreams to be fulfilled. She has the potential to become a legend. With every practice session, every match, she gets closer to her goal of becoming one of the greatest cricketers of all time. वो सफलता की भूखी है. Her hunger for success drives her to push her limits, to train harder, and to never give up, no matter how tough the competition gets. She is eager to learn and improve. Every piece of advice, every critique, is a stepping stone towards her growth and development as a player. She is determined to make her country proud. Representing her nation on the international stage is not just an honor, but a responsibility she takes very seriously. She is a true champion. Her spirit, her resilience, and her unwavering determination make her a role model for aspiring cricketers everywhere. Her journey will be filled with challenges. There will be obstacles, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But each challenge will only make her stronger. Lekin wo un sab par jeet hasil karegi. She will emerge stronger. Every victory, every trophy will be a testament to her hard work and perseverance. She will continue to inspire. Her journey, her achievements, and her dedication will inspire countless young athletes to chase their dreams and never give up. Section 7. A Legacy in the Making. Fatima's Impact. Fatima's impact goes beyond cricket. She is a role model for aspiring athletes. वो महिला सशक्तिकरण की प्रतीक हैं. She is a symbol of hope for a nation. Her story is a testament to the power of sports. It can unite people. It can inspire change. It can create a better future. Fatima is leaving a lasting legacy. वो पाकिस्तान में क्रिकेट का चेहरा बदल रही हैं. She is inspiring a generation. She is a true icon. Section 8. Beyond the Boundary. Fatima's Influence. Fatima Sana, a name synonymous with excellence in cricket, has carved a niche for herself not just on the field, but off it as well. Her journey from a budding cricketer to an influential figure is nothing short of inspiring. Fatima's influence extends beyond the cricket field. She has become a beacon of hope and a role model for many, especially young girls who aspire to break barriers in sports and other fields. She is a voice for the voiceless. Fatima uses her platform to address issues that often go unnoticed, lending her voice to those who need it the most. वो अपने मुकाम का इस्तेमाल ज़रूरी सामाजिक मुद्दों पर जागरूकता फैलाने के लिए करती हैं. Whether it's through social media, public speaking, or community events, she ensures that important conversations are being had. She advocates for girls' education. Fatima believes that education is the key to empowerment and works tirelessly to promote educational opportunities for young girls. She speaks out against gender inequality. Fatima is not afraid to challenge the status quo and uses her influence to fight for equal rights and opportunities for women. वो युवाओं को अपने जुनून को पूरा करने के लिए प्रेरित करती हैं. She encourages them to pursue their dreams with determination and resilience, sharing her own experiences and challenges to motivate them. Fatima is a true leader. She leads by example. On the cricket field, she demonstrates exceptional skill and sportsmanship, inspiring her teammates and fans alike. वो अपने प्रभाव का इस्तेमाल सकारात्मक बदलाव लाने के लिए करती हैं. Her commitment to social causes is unwavering, and she actively participates in various initiatives aimed at making a difference. She is a force for good in the world. Fatima's contributions have been recognized and celebrated, but she remains humble and focused on her mission to create a better world for future generations. Section 9. The future is bright, a new dawn for Pakistan cricket. Pakistan women's cricket is on the rise. With players like Fatima Sana, the future is bright. ये एक प्रतिभाशाली और दृढ़ निश्चयी समूह है. They are breaking new ground. They are making history. ये एक राष्ट्र को प्रेरित कर रही हैं. They are the pride of Pakistan. The future holds endless possibilities. With continued support, they can achieve greatness. वो विश्व विजेता बन सकती हैं. They are destined for glory. Section 10. Saluting a champion. Fatima Sana's enduring spirit. Fatima Sana is a champion. वो एक योद्धा हैं. She never gives up. She is an inspiration to us all. Her story teaches us to dream big. It teaches us to work hard. It teaches us to never give up on our passions. Fatima Sana, we salute you. Thank you for inspiring us. Thank you for making us proud. Section 11. A nation's pride. Fatima Sana, an inspiration. Fatima Sana, a name that resonates with pride and honor in the hearts of millions of Pakistanis. She is not just a cricketer, she is a symbol of hope, determination, and excellence. Fatima Sana is a national treasure. Her journey from a young girl with a dream to becoming one of the most celebrated cricketers in Pakistan is nothing short of extraordinary. She has broken barriers and shattered stereotypes, proving that with hard work and dedication, anything is possible. वो पाकिस्तान के लिए आशा और गर्व का प्रतीक हैं. Her achievements on the cricket field have brought immense joy and pride to the nation. Every time she takes a wicket or scores a run, she inspires countless young girls and boys to pursue their dreams, no matter how big they may seem. She has shown the world what Pakistani women are capable of. Her fierce determination and unwavering commitment to her sport have made her a role model not just in Pakistan, but globally. She stands as a testament to the fact that talent knows no gender, and that women can excel in any field they choose. Her journey is an inspiration to us all. From her early days of playing cricket in the streets to representing Pakistan on the international stage, Fatima's story is one of perseverance and passion. She has faced numerous challenges along the way. But her resilience and never give up attitude have seen her through. वो हमें बड़े सपने देखना, कड़ी मेहनत करना और कभी हार न मानना सिखाती है. Her dedication to her craft is evident in the countless hours she spends training and perfecting her skills. She teaches us that success is not an overnight phenomenon, but the result of relentless effort and unwavering focus. She is a true role model for young girls and boys across the country. Through her actions and achievements, she has shown that dreams can indeed come true. She actively engages with the youth, encouraging them to pursue their passions and to believe in their abilities. Let us all celebrate Fatima Sana and her incredible achievements. Her accolades and awards are a testament to her hard work and dedication. But beyond the trophies and medals, it is her spirit and determination that truly make her a champion. She is a shining star and a true inspiration to us all. Fatima Sana's journey is a reminder that with passion, perseverance, and a never-give-up attitude, we can achieve greatness. Let her story inspire us to chase our dreams and to strive for excellence in all